Welcome back to applelnsider, the channel where innovation meets reality, and today we have something so futuristic that it almost feels unreal. Imagine a smartphone that doesn't just fit in your pocket but also takes flight when you need it, capturing angles and perspectives that were once only possible with dedicated drones. Vivo has brought us this jaw-dropping concept turned into reality, the Vivo Flying Camera Phone. This device is not just another smartphone upgrade, it's a rethinking of what a smartphone can be, merging communication, photography, performance, and mobility into one extraordinary piece of technology. Today we are going to dive into its design, display, performance, camera capabilities, battery life, software and features, and ultimately, its value for money. So let's break it down, keynote by keynote, and see if this futuristic marvel is ready to redefine the smartphone world. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Vivo Flying Camera Phone is unlike anything you've ever held before. From the outside, it looks sleek, slim, and modern with premium-grade materials like an aerospace aluminum frame, curved glass finish, and a carefully balanced weight that makes it feel futuristic yet familiar in your hand. But the real magic lies in its retractable flying camera module. Hidden inside the body, this tiny detachable drone camera slides out smoothly with a motorized system and can take off independently to capture shots from a distance. The engineering precision is breathtaking. Despite integrating mechanical parts, Vivo has ensured durability with reinforced components, dust resistance, and shock absorption around the camera compartment. Holding the phone feels secure, and even though it houses a flying mechanism, it doesn't feel bulky or awkward. The design is futuristic yet minimal, giving you that feeling of holding tomorrow's tech today. Number 2. Display. A futuristic device deserves nothing less than a futuristic screen, and Vivo delivers. The phone comes with a massive AMOLED 6.9-inch edge-to-edge display with 4K resolution and an adaptive refresh rate up to 144 Hz. Watching content here feels like staring into another dimension. Colors pop with vibrancy, blacks are infinitely deep, and the smoothness of scrolling or gaming feels completely natural. The brightness levels are powerful enough to handle harsh sunlight, while HDR10+ support makes movies and videos cinematic in every way. For creators, editing photos and videos directly on this display becomes a joy, as every detail is visible with unmatched clarity. Add in under-display fingerprint technology and a truly bezel-less design, and you have a screen that's as immersive as it gets, almost like holding a piece of glass that comes alive. Number 3. Performance. A flying camera phone is not just about gimmicks, it needs raw power to back it up, and Vivo makes no compromises. Powered by the latest Snapdragon flagship processor paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and AI-driven performance enhancements, this phone handles everything you throw at it without a single stutter. From high-end gaming to multitasking across heavy applications, the phone feels like a powerhouse in your pocket. Thermal management has been carefully thought out, with vapor cooling chambers ensuring that even under extended gaming or video rendering, the device stays cool to the touch. Network performance is equally impressive, with 6G readiness, Wi-Fi 7 support, and satellite connectivity for those moments when traditional networks just don't cut it. In simple terms, this phone is designed to handle the future as smoothly as it handles the present. Number 4. The camera. This is where the Vivo Flying Camera Phone rewrites the rules. The integrated flying drone camera is a game changer. Imagine pulling out the module, setting it to hover above you, and capturing shots that used to require a professional drone. The flying module houses a 200 megapixels ultra sensor with stabilization, 8K video recording, and advanced AI tracking that keeps you in frame as you move. It can circle around you, follow you on the go, or stay stationary for breathtaking overhead shots. Beyond the flying camera, the main phone body itself packs a triple lens system with wide, ultra-wide, and periscope zoom, rivaling the best smartphone cameras in the world. The integration between the phone and the flying module is seamless, with real-time streaming directly to your display so you can compose your shots as if you're flying a drone through your phone screen. Low-light photography is equally stunning, thanks to advanced night mode powered by computational photography. For vloggers, travelers, and creators, this is not just a camera, it's a personal film crew that fits in your pocket. Number 5. Battery life. Naturally, with so much going on, power is a major concern. Vivo has equipped this phone with a massive 7000 mAh dual-cell battery system, split between the phone and the flying module. The main phone supports 120W wired fast charging and 80W wireless charging, taking you from 0 to full in under 20 minutes. The flying camera module has its own independent 1200 mAh battery that charges automatically when docked inside the phone. In real use, you can expect a full day of heavy usage on the main phone, and about 30 minutes of continuous flight time on the detachable camera, which is remarkable considering its size. Battery optimization software ensures that energy consumption is managed smartly, keeping background tasks under control. If you're worried about running out of juice, Vivo has also introduced a portable charging case for the camera module, making sure creators never miss a shot. Number 6. Software and features. The Vivo Flying Camera Phone runs on a refined version of FunTouch OS layered over Android, optimized for futuristic hardware. The UI is clean, fluid, and highly customizable. But the real highlight lies in the drone control software. With intuitive gesture controls, pre-programmed cinematic flight paths, and AI-based obstacle avoidance, anyone can operate the flying camera without needing prior drone experience. For productivity, the phone offers desktop mode, seamless multi-device connectivity, and advanced AI assistants that help manage your day. Security is top-notch, with biometric authentication, encrypted communication channels, and a secure vault for sensitive data. And of course, for entertainment, everything from Dolby Atmos audio to AR gaming and mixed reality features are integrated, giving you a device that's not just a phone but an all-in-one lifestyle hub. Number 7. Value for money. Now comes the real question: what is the value of a phone like this? The Vivo Flying Camera Phone is undoubtedly premium, with a price tag that matches its futuristic promise. But when you consider that it replaces not only your phone but also a personal drone, high-end camera gear, and even some computing functions, the value becomes more apparent. For creators, vloggers, influencers, and tech enthusiasts, it's not just a purchase, it's an investment into the future of mobile technology. Even for everyday users, the device offers unmatched versatility, blending innovation with practicality. Yes, it's expensive, but it also delivers experiences that no other phone in the market can, making it a worthy consideration for those who want to be ahead of the curve. So what's the final verdict? The Vivo Flying Camera Phone is not just another smartphone, it's a vision of the future brought to life. With a stunning design, world-class display, beastly performance, groundbreaking camera system, robust battery life, futuristic software, and unique value, it redefines what we thought a smartphone could do. While it may not be for everyone, those who embrace it will experience a new era of mobile technology. It's bold, it's innovative, and it sets a new standard for what's possible in a handheld device. Here at applelnsider, we believe this isn't just a step forward, it's a leap into the next generation of technology, and Vivo has firmly planted its flag in the future. If you're ready to carry tomorrow in your pocket, the Vivo Flying Camera Phone is waiting.